I'm Linda Rasch, and I'm here to tell you about the three things you must get as an entrepreneur. Number one, you must get clarity. What is clarity? I think clarity is the answer to the feelings of confusion, being directionless, and overwhelmed by how complicated everything is, especially as an entrepreneur. But once you get clarity, it's like you've flipped on the proverbial light switch. Now you can see clearly what matters and which direction to go. Let me explain why that's important. We're only moved by clarity. When you don't have clarity, it's impossible to move forward. In other words, you're stuck. But with clarity, you feel inspired, compelled, and motivated to move forward. So that was number one. You must get clarity. Now I'd like to tell you about the second thing you must get as an entrepreneur. You must get unstuck. Now that you have clarity, you're inspired, and you see a direction to take, now you need to get moving. You need to take action. So the first thing was about the light bulb coming on. You got clarity, no longer paralyzed by the burden of confusion, and now getting unstuck is about being unmired, taking action, and moving forward. Why is that important? As an entrepreneur, it's discouraging and it's expensive to stay stuck. But when you get unstuck, your resources are no longer log jammed, they're available to you, and you can take the actions that you need to take. Here are some examples of what taking action could look like. Sitting down, putting your fingers on the keyboard, and creating your valuable content. Picking up the phone and calling that potential partner you've been thinking about. Or putting together an action plan for your product launch. So important. Okay, before we talk about the third thing, let me recap the first two things. Number one, get clarity. And number two, get unstuck. And now for the third and final thing you must get as an entrepreneur. You must get answers from within. Now that you've gotten clarity and you're taking action in the right direction, it's about knowing how to stay motivated, inspired, and continuing to move forward. But how do you do that? Where do you go for the best answers? Here's the secret. It's you. No one knows better than you what you need. You must get answers from within. It's all about valuing and listening to your own inner wisdom. I know we've been conditioned to look outside of ourselves for answers and to follow this guru or get that guru, but let me assure you, it's you that knows best. No one knows you or your business better than you, and no one knows better than you what you need and what paths are best to get there. The challenge is how to really listen and to recognize the great value of what you know. Get answers from within. It's easy to say, but hard to do. It took me years, but I developed a method that proves the value of what I know, and it's my go-to method. It leads to repeated success. So to recap, you must get clarity, you must get unstuck, and you must get answers from within. I look forward to exploring these concepts with you, especially the getting answers from within part. I'm Linda Rasch, the founder of the Linda Rasch Method, and I look forward to sharing these secrets with you.